Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix your Valorant if it's stuck in 60 FPS. Alright, basically what you can do here first is just open up the game and go to your settings right here at the top right, which looks like a gear icon. Alright, click on it and go to settings. Now, once you're on the general settings, go head over to the bottom part of the setting. Alright, as you can see here, there's a ton of FPS settings right here. So just go ahead and turn everything off right here. Alright. You don't want to limit any of your FPS, but if you want to, you can just go ahead and limit the FPS in background. Just like, for example, if you alt tab, so the maximum would be only 30 FPS. Just go ahead and turn this on and make sure that this one, limit FPS always, make sure that it is turned off. All right. After that, just go ahead and play a game. For example, you're going to want to head on the range and just check your FPS. All right. As you can see here at the top left, I have an uncapped FPS, so my FPS is no longer stuck at 60. Another fix, if you're still having the same problem, alright, just go ahead and open up your display settings. To do so, right click on a blank space on your desktop, then go ahead and click on display settings right here. So what we're going to do here is scroll down a bit. Alright, if you have multiple monitors, just go ahead and select the main monitor or the monitor that you game on. Once you have it selected, just go ahead and scroll down a bit and go to advanced display settings. Alright, you're going to want to make sure that your refresh rate right here is set to the highest. Alright, as you can see here, there's 50, 59, which is basically 60, 60 Hertz, 120 Hertz, 144, 164 right here. So I'm going to select this one, which is the highest one. Done. Then close this one. Then I'm going to launch Valorant and everything should work perfectly fine. If that's it, will work on some weird occasions. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, just go ahead and right click again on a blank space on your screen. Then hit on NVIDIA control panel. Wait for it to load. Now once it loads, go ahead and go to the change resolution tab or section. Alright. Make sure to select this one right here on PC, not on Ultra HD, HD, and SD, because once you select this one right here, which is the native one, you will not be able to select the highest refresh rate your monitor can handle. So just go ahead and scroll down until you see this one right here, PC. All right, just go ahead and select your preferred resolution, and here you'll be able to see the maximum refresh rate that your monitor can handle. So go ahead and make sure that you select the highest one and hit on apply. All right, once done, hit on yes, close this one, close, and launch Valorant again, and you should be good to go. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.